welcome back to Dreamstar Chaos. I'm my girlfriend Reena and welcome to yet another fun, entertaining vlog. Ooh, the sunlight, it's a lot. Like I'm not ready for that. But yeah, right now it is exactly 9:26. I have been up since 7, like almost up since 7. So my college has started, my online lectures are in progress, and yeah, I just got done attending all of it. Now I'm officially free. I am done having my detox water, and then I realized, oops, I got a vlog. Also, if you want to know my diet recipes and just fun stuff like that, you should definitely follow me on my Instagram because I'm pretty active there, and I do tend to let you guys know what I'm having and stuff like that. So that's the tea. I've also made a to-do list. I am trying to be that person. I am not that person, but I have a list of things I have to do, which is color-coded according to the way it needs to be done. Let me just check off my college work because आज मैंने college attend किया है. I've been contemplating whether or not to go to the gym because I don't work out twice a day. This is rare. So, I've decided to go to the gym. It's right now 11 o'clock. Well, a quick OOTD if I may. So I got this t-shirt from DMart. This is from Shein. These are my Nike shoes. This is my Fitbit Versa too. Wow, I don't know, I'm really exhausted and I need to take a shower. And now I have this really cool unboxing to share with you. Now if you don't follow me on my Instagram, that is so rude. Definitely follow me. You wouldn't know that I am actually working with MyGlam, and I am their MyGlammXO creator, beauty content. I'm doing this whole thing wrong. So basically, I'm a MyGlammXO beauty creator for the whole year, which basically means I get to try out their products every month and share my thoughts, reviews, and be honest and just have fun with makeup. It's the whole purpose of me doing YouTube, apart from also being me. So I received their 3rd month box, which is this beauty right here. It is a little damaged during the transit, so excuse that, but usually the packaging is prettydiggity.com, and I like what it says. It says live glamorous, and when you open it up and you see everything that you get. So I've already opened this up and I've started trying it out. The first thing that I have is this Cape Lay Acai Berry and antioxidant sheet mask. Now if you know, I don't use sheet mask because of, you know, me trying to do my bit for the environment, and I've not used a sheet mask in about like 2 years right now. But again, since I have this, I will definitely be using this because like it's already there. You know, me not using it wouldn't make a difference, so I might as well use it and help my skin a little bit if I may. So I am really excited to try this on. And on to another 2 skincare products that I'm just like trying. So this is from their Plus Skills Germ range, and this is the body lotion and the hand cream. So basically the whole purpose is to meet skincare with sanitization. This is like a sanitizer plus a moisturizer, and I like that concept. It's pretty fun because usually sanitizers are so harsh on your skin. My hands are super dry, so I'm really enjoying using the hand cream, although it is a little thick, you know, so I would prefer using this at night time when I don't have to touch anything, and this is pretty heavy duty. Next thing that I'm really excited about is this beauty right here. This is their Clean Beauty Cocoa Butter Lip and Cheek Pencil. Now I've been looking for a lip and cheek tint for a very long time, and the ones that I want are always out of stock. It's like a mess, but I didn't know there was a pencil. I think that's so cool. So the pencil is right here. It is a little damaged because I tried using it just to see how I like it, and I really like it. The shade seems to be working really well for me. This is in the shade French Rose. It looks a little too pink on the screen, but it's actually pinkish but more red. quick demo. So this is how the color looks like. It's very subtle, it's very sophisticated, and I really like it. It's a kind of color that would actually go with a lot of Indian skin. So the last thing that I have, some super excited, was this MyGlam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid. And oh my god, first of all, the packaging, y'all. MyGlam has my heart for packaging, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty bronzed, it's pretty like glowy, and I cannot wait to use this on my legs if I'm wearing like one piece or something. You know, just putting a few drops of this in my body lotion and just rubbing it all over my legs would like give it a little bit of bronzy look. So you know, it will look a little toned and like very J-Lo effect, if I may. I'm really excited. Corona, please go away so I can try this, have fun, party. God, you guys are not ready for this. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I am just obsessed. I just cannot get over this. This is so freaking pretty. In case if you're wondering what I have on my eyes, so I basically have these pigments from this Instagram store called Slaysha, and you know, you basically have to water activate them, and you can do whatever you want with the pigments. I did this, and I just never thought I'd be able to do it because I have hooded eyes, if you didn't know already, and I have very small eyes. And but for me to able to do this, I'm just like, you know what, girl, I can freaking conquer the world right now. But sadly, I couldn't even get a picture today of this beautiful I can conquer the world kind of a moment. So that's sad, and I don't know if I can ever do this again. So that is that. But yeah, anyway, with all of that being said, it's time to have some, I was about to say breakfast for some reason. It's time to have some evening snacks. Well, look who's in the kitchen today. Me. This is a better angle. I think this is a better angle. I think this is as good as this cooking vlogging situation is gonna get. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. So it's 5:36 right now. I have my class at 6, and I really don't know if I want to attend the class. I guess it's me, because this is how I'm looking like now on the internet and even during workout apparently. So today's to-do list, I mean, it's going good, I guess. I'm checking things off, but also I just don't want to check things off for the sake of it. I also want to plan my planning at this point, I feel, because I hate the way today's workout went. I mean, first of all, this is how I'm like, my hair is up because my hair tie broke in the middle, and this was about to die, and I knew, but I still continued using it because I was lazy to find another one. And then this happened, and I'm just like, oh my god, I hate when my hair is irritating. Also, what am I wearing, bro? I'm wearing pata nahi kaun sa t-shirt मैंने कहाँ से ढूंढ के निकाला. And I did work out with my makeup. I hate when that happens. I mean, obviously skin breakouts and all. And anyways, that is like the real part of an unproductive person trying to be productive. So that's there. Also, something I forgot to do is, so the reason I have my makeup on even right now is because I want to film a YouTube video, and I forgot to charge my battery. Like, these are basic chotu things which I have to try and be. I don't know where I was going with that. I just had a brain fart. Anywhoozy, my like table right now, let me show it to you. This is literally how my table looks like right now. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my freaky god. This honestly never, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो. You know what? I have to sit for this one. I have to sit for this one, and also the camera is a little teda. I guess better. Yeah, now better. So my brother, okay, my brother bought me a footwear from H&M. I'm not even overreacting. I'm just like genuinely happy. I was like, because he called me up. He's like, what is your footwear size? And I'm like, you know, it's 38, 39 works. And he's like, okay. And I thought maybe he's asking for a friend reference or something. But then it is for me. I know, saw in the H&M bag. I really thought he got me McDonald's H&M ke naam pe, which I would have been happy, I guess. But ta-da! Oh my god, these are so freaking pretty. This is so freaking cute, and I know for a fact that it is from H&M because H&M ka tag hai yahan pe. But this is so freaking cute. I tried these on. These are amazing. These are freaking amazing, and I'm just like so happy. I'm like, I don't remember, and you know what, I don't want to remember either. So yeah, YouTube tabhi hone se raha because ow, that's my real lash. I'm using this, by the way. This is by The Face Shop. It's their green tea for all skin type cleansing cream. Not a, in case if you want to know how I shave my face in detail with before and after routine, I've done one recently. Check it out, I'll leave it in the description. So I'm going to quickly shave my face, put on a face mask, and be back. Ta-da! Can you see the table is squeaky clean? Yes, this is so difficult to maintain, but over here I just have my planner essential and my YouTube diary and my journal. I need to make space for this over here right now. My drawer is a mess, excuse that. Also this kapro ka jhamela, please yahan pe mat dekhna because not dealing with that. Also on this corner some things were kept intentionally, like this, but the rest of this is for practical usage. I have to do some photo shoots with them, so yeah, that is that. But overall I'm happy. Well, you guys, with that we've come to the end of this vlog, and yes, you guessed it right, I again forgot to do the outro. Maybe that should something be on the list next time. I mean, it's pretty common sense to most, but to me I need to be reminded apparently. But yeah, I was just editing the vlog. Wow, really still struggling to talk, but I am really having fun with it, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was very personal, very up close if I may, and I don't know, I just got to share my real frustrated side of me, the real me trying really hard to be productive side of me, and it's all still coming together. I have not perfected it yet, and we're just taking one day at a time after all. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. I upload videos twice a week, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.